Hello there, welcome to Monkeytron Collective, your place for Nerf action figures, cosplay and props. Today we're at Wolfpack Nerf in Leeds, and we're at a special event called Howling Heroes. It's a kind of military battle themed event here in the hall. It's an indoor 5-a-side pitch, as you can see. 5-7-a-side pitch is quite big. We've got a ton of barriers set up, bunkers set up, gun emplacements. It's fantastic fun. We've got the lights are off in half the hall, we've got LEDs everywhere, all the players are wearing flashing LED bands. This is great fun. I'll just take you around the battlefield a bit here, show you what's going on. Some awesome blasters, a few Brit Nerfers in here tonight. Here's one of the gun emplacements. It's quite dark down this end of the hall. Got some more heavy guns set up here. Oh. So there you go, we're playing Kill Confirmed just now. I think the red team have the upper hand. Anyway, I'll get back to you later on with some more footage. So here we are, we're back at Wolfpack. We're going to have a quick game of Kill Confirmed here, I think, just to warm up. So this is the next day. I didn't get any more footage last night. We were so busy playing in the other games last night. We managed to get a few photos and just a little bit of video you've seen. So this is the second day, second game. So we're just going to have a wee warm up to Kill Confirmed. So here we go. Thank you. Well, playing Defend the Fort. The adults have got the fort this time. The kids are about to attack. Tactical selfie. another adult then. Oh, hit. Right, defending fire. Oh. Oh! Sneaky. Right, high five over there, high five. Make a run for it! Go, go, go! So while I've got the opportunity here with a big empty hole, I want to go a full power mag dump with my FD. So full power, full rate for that. I'm just going to dump 18 in that. Okay. Helps if I put it on full. Here we go. Oh, that's good fun. Oh, so that's us packed up, ready to go. We finished at Wolfpack, our double header weekend. It was great fun. We'll just clean up, finished the dart sweep, just tidying away, putting away all the gear. So yeah, massive thanks to Blind Geek UK for hosting us over the weekend. 2 amazing games we played. Yeah, lots of good fun. All the cover, ducking between the cover, the battle bunkers and everything. It's good fun in this hole. Obviously today we were just doing it in the light. Last night we had the dark and the smoke and the lights and stuff. It was fantastic. So anyway, good fun weekend. So thanks for everyone involved, and we'll catch you later. Make sure you subscribe here on YouTube and over on Facebook, and give us a follow on Instagram as well. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you later.